Why does your scanner show the P0501 engine code, and what does it mean? The P0501 engine code stands for the Vehicle Speed Sensor A range or performance. It indicates that the engine control module, ECM, got an input from the vehicle speed sensor that is out of range. In this situation, short-distance driving is permitted, but you should repair your vehicle as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: faulty VSS, wiring or connector issues, defective speedometer, ECM or PCM malfunction, transmission problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. The P0501 error code may appear in numerous contemporary vehicles equipped with OBD2 diagnostic systems such as Chevrolet, Hyundai, Toyota, Dodge, and Mercedes-Benz vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.